Today at Ambe Vidyalaya, we are proud to celebrate the investiture ceremony of 2022 and 23, a formal investing of a person with authority, power, right, office and dignity. Our chief guest, Shri Satyem Kolabkar, Shri Amit Shah, Srimati Bhavesha Shah, Srimati Mittal Shah, Shri Vivek Shah, and all the principals of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you, sir.
Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
to make this day more blessed, let us start this pioneering day with God's blessing.
जय जय हे भगवती शारदे, तव चरणों में नमन करे। जय जय हे भगवती शारदे, तव चरणों में नमन करे। हे सरस्वती वागीश्वरी, तव चरणों में हम नमन करे। त्रिभुवन तेरे चरणों में सुर नर मुनिवर नमन करे। त्रिभुवन तेरे चरणों में सुर नर मुनिवर नमन करे। सुर नर मुनिवर नमन करे। सुर नर मुनिवर नमन करे। जय जय हे भगवती शारदे, तव चरणों में नमन करे। तव चरणों में नमन करे।
Thank you, friends, to welcome everyone present here. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्।
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्।
आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं
भारतम् स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्।
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्।
नित्यनिरन्तरता नमता मानवता समता भवता सारथि साथ मनोरथता जो अनिवार्य नहीं नमता संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम् संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं
भारतम् स्वागतम्
शुभ
Principal of Ambe Vidyalaya English Medium, to welcome our chief guest with a floral greeting. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would now request Shri Paresh Shah, Principal of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya Gujarati Medium, to welcome Shri Amit Shah, Chairman of Ambe Group of Schools, with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I would request Srimati Darshana Shah, Principal of Ambe Vidyalaya KG Section, to welcome Srimati Bhavesha Shah, Directress of Ambe Group of Schools KG Section, with a floral greeting. Thank you, ma'am. I would request Srimati Darshana Shah, Principal of Ambe Vidyalaya KG Section, to welcome Srimati Mittal Shah, Directress of Shri Ambe Vidyalaya, with a bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. I would request Srimati Neelam Singh, Principal of Ambe Vidyalaya English Medium, to welcome Shri Vivek Shah, Director of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya, with a floral greeting. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now I request Srimati Bhavisha Shah, Srimati Mittal Shah, Srimati Neelam Singh and Srimati Darshana Shah to please come forward and honor the head boys and head girls with blazers and sashes. Thank you, ma'am. To begin with it, I would request our chief guest for the day, Sri Satyen Kolakar, to please come upon and help the head boys and head girls to administer the
solemnly affirm that I will maintain secrecy and faithfully discharge the duties of my post. I will do the best of my ability to maintain the discipline, to pursue and uphold the dignity of this institute. I will devote myself to the services and well-being of the student of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya. Thank you.
Constitution of the school was founded by Shri Suryakant Shah, the founder of Ambe Group of Schools, on 16th June 1991. Just like the father of our Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he is the sole architect of the Constitution of Ambe Group of Schools. He has played a seminal role in framing the Constitution of the school. I now request Shri Amit Shah, the chairman of Ambe Group of Schools, to kindly come forward to hand over the Constitution to the head boys and head girls of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya English Medium.
We have the house captains and the vice captains of progressors, reformers, challengers and developers of Ambe and Jayambe Vidyalaya English Medium marching in. Srimati Neelam Singh, Srimati Darshana Shah, Shri Paresh Shah, Srimati Chaya Charpe, Srimati Jigisha Sharma, Srimati Nimisha Randheya, Shri Hitesh Shah and Srimati Sneha Pandya to please come forward to honor our captains and vice captains with sashes and badges. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now, I request the head boy Rachit Soni of Jayambe Vidyalaya English Medium to come forward to help our young and energetic leaders to take the oath.
Captains and vice captains, get ready for the oath. We swear that we will take part in all the sport activities in the true spirit of sportsmanship and that we will respect and abide by the rules that govern them for the glory of sport and the honor of our school. Get down. Thank you.
Our head girl Nancy Kaur Sarda of Jayambe Vidyalaya English Medium likes to address the council members. Nancy, please come forward and deliver your speech.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. A warm greetings to respected chief guests, respected chairmen, respected heads, principals, teachers and all my dear friends. Feeling short of words to express my emotions, my gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head girl of the school. First of all, myself Nancy Kaur Sardar. I would like to thank the entire school management who has shown immense faith in me by selecting me as the head girl of our school. Thanks to our respected Principal Neelam ma'am, supervisors and my respected teachers. Standing amidst in this gathering, today I still recall the day I came to Ambe Vidyalaya seeking my admission and our respected Principal Darshana ma'am and Supervisor Vaibhavi ma'am made me a deep sigh for life. And honestly, from the day I joined, the shy, introvert and an innocent young girl till today, when I stand here as the head girl of Jayambe Vidyalaya, my journey here has been an absolute roller coaster ride. I would also like to thank all my friends and fellow council members who stood beside me always. Finally, I would like to thank my parents, the people whom I owe everything to. Thank you so much Mama and Papa for always believing in me. There has been times where I would have given up, but it were you who always walked along with me and gave me much needed support. I may not be perfect and might not always get things right, but I promise that I will do everything in my power to get things right. My prime duty will be to take care of the norms of discipline of our school. I will stand firm with my cabinet as blessed grade with our own remarkable talents and using out the proper functioning of school by performing our duties. I would like to mention that a team is like a tool set. Not one tool can do all jobs, but all tools together can do a lot. I believe if you truly want to change your life, you must first be willing to change your mind. If this thought is brought into practice by everyone, then the day will not be far when our school will rank first. So, let's hold our hands together and walk in this team spirit in the daily functioning of our school and make our school great. This is me, Nancy Kaur Sardar, signing in as the head girl of Jayambe Vidyalaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nancy. Congratulations to all the council members of English medium.
एक साथ पीछे मुड़ने का परेड पीछे मुड़
I would now like to call our students to form a pyramid representing a sense of harmony and unity within ourselves. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
तेरा जुनून